In this tutorial, I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. For desktop, open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Here, open its official website, then click on download. After this, here you have to click on Windows host and it will start downloading its installer. After a few moments, download pop-up will appear. You have to just click on it and then click on next. Here check I accept the term of the license agreement. Then click on next. Again click on next. Now click on yes. Again click on yes. Then click on next and then click on install. Its installation process will start. Wait for its completion. After this, uncheck Start Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.4 and then click on finish. Now you can see VirtualBox in your Windows 10 or 11. So that's how you can install VirtualBox in just few easy steps.